Assalamu alaikum. This is Jahangir Nisar and welcome to JN Coders. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create a simple splash screen in your app. So let's start the journey. The splash screen will appear as follows. This is our main screen without const constructor error. Now go to splash screen folder. So first we have the required container, and in this container we define dimensions with decent color. Containers contain child property, so we will add a column for vertical display. So we will take the page view builder, and page view builder contains an item builder property for index. So we will return and add column and children container. Then select the dimension and decoration for the image preview. Well, we will create class and list to manage repeated values or widgets. And set up an image folder accordingly. Now open the perspec.yaml file and define the location for the image folder. Okay, now we will add the given index time for the images. Okay. The page view builder required space, so we will add expanded widgets. Great! Now we can see the display on our app. We will enhance our splash screen by adding a title and description below the image preview. Now we will create small containers as a mark of the current page. So we select the list view builder, and the list view builder contains an item builder property for index. The list view builder also requires space, so we added a size box widgets. As the index start at 0, so we add the current number to select the corresponding page. The page view builder contains on change property to manage pages. We can extend the width of the container to be prominent on the current page and also change the color of the extended container. Now we add a button to navigate to the next page. So we can use the Elevate button widgets. This button only display on the splash screen, so we can apply the current page index option and add the second last number because the last number button will show on display. In the end, we will add a escape button to directly navigate to next page.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.